right, third grade, we are going to be creating this really cool little reindeer. We'll actually decorate him or adorn him in Christmas lights, and of course we're going to do our background paper. So all we're doing today is background paper, and we're going to draw him out. We're going to create this nose. So this is called our wet week, so that everything we're doing today, it's wet and we need to let it dry. All right, so we will be drawing him out, and we're actually going to be using these black ink daubers. Now, if you've had me before, you know that we've talked about this. First of all, this is the only thing that will not come out of your clothes. You need to be very, very, very careful with these. Also, there is a little sponge on the end of this. So what happens is when you flip it upside down and you gently press, that's what activates the ink to come out onto the paper, and then you use it just like you would a marker or a pencil. You're going to gently press, and you're going to draw with it. What you don't want to do is just sit there and press, 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 or you're going to end up with a puddle of ink. So you want to be very, very careful whenever you use these. All right, so the very first thing we're going to do, first of all, I want you to realize we are going to be using this full brown piece of paper to create the nose and the antlers as well. That way we waste minimal paper that way. So I want you to consider that when you're drawing him today. What we're going to do is we're going to come to about, not the middle of the paper, well, no, actually about the middle of the paper. We have to leave room for the ears, not the antlers. We're going to be making the antlers with some extra paper on the side. But you got to make sure you leave room for the ears. So you might want to start at the center, and we're going to do his mouth. We're going to actually be doing like a sideways U. So you want to make sure that your sideways U probably starts at about the center of the paper. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to come to about the middle of the upper part, about here. You can see about where that is. And we are just going to make like this sideways U. But remember, you have to leave room for the ears, not the antlers. All right. So now we're just going to do like this little hump. This is his head. Okay, his ear is going to be going off this way. So we're just going to make a big curve. And we're going to curve it back. Oh, that was just enough for it. Good. All right, and then I'm going to slant an ear this way. We're just going to curve, curve. Okay, and if you have more room, you could actually make his ear go up a little. All right, so we're going to go ahead and add that inside of his ear. All right, so now I'm just going to kind of come out and down. You want to make sure that his back is a little swayed. You don't want him to look like a giraffe. All right, so now we're just going to do like a little curve in here. And we're going to curve down. All right, perfect. We're going to give him an eye about here. Go ahead and fill that in, but leave a reflective light. It can be any shape you want. All right, so now we're going to come here about the center. We're going to go over the eye. And we're going to actually do like a little design. We're going to come right down about the center. And you could do whatever little curvy design you want to do right there. You just want to divide him in half. You want a front and a back. Perfect. If you want to take your little dauber and go back and fix anything, make it look even, you can totally do that. Now if you mess up, you have one more shot. You can do it on the back. All right, so just remember we're actually going to be using this part for the antlers right here. And we're going to do this part up here for the nose. So now you are going to get your tracer. You do not want any of these great big noses, and you probably don't want that one. This one's a good size. You are going to trace a nose. I'm using a black Sharpie. You will use a pencil. You just need to be able to see it. All right, and then what you're going to do is you are going to take a drop of glue, no bigger than that, and you're going to take your finger and you're going to rub it around. And this is what the glitter is going to stick on. You're going to bring it to glitter station, and we are going to glitter the nose, and we're going to put these on the drying rack because the ink may still be wet and the glitter nose needs to dry. All right, and next week we will assemble him to the background paper. Also, if you want to clean your finger off, just go over to the side and wipe your finger off, and it's clean. My finger's completely cleaned off. All right, next week we'll assemble him together and add all the detail and the lights around him. All right, have fun.